Vienna's cultural legacy is deeply ingrained in its music and arts. The city was home to musical luminaries like Mozart, Beethoven, and Strauss, and it continues to resonate with classical melodies at venues like the Vienna State Opera and the Musikverein. Art enthusiasts are drawn to the impressive collections housed in institutions like the Albertina and Kunsthistorisches Museum. Vienna is the capital and largest city of Austria, located in the northeastern part of the country. The city is known for its rich history, cultural heritage, and stunning architecture. Vienna is often referred to as the City of Music, due to its historical significance in the world of classical music. It was home to famous composers such as Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Ludwig van Beethoven, and Johann Strauss II. The Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra is one of the world's most renowned orchestras and hosts the famous annual New Year's concert. The historic center of Vienna is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its well-preserved architecture from various periods. Schönbrunn Palace, a former imperial summer residence, is one of the most important architectural, cultural, and historical monuments in Austria. The Vienna State Opera is one of the leading opera houses in the world, renowned for its performances in architecture. The Belvedere Palace is another significant Baroque architectural masterpiece, housing an extensive art collection. The Vienna Woods, Wienerwald, surround the city and provide a beautiful natural escape for both locals and tourists. Vienna is famous for its café culture, where locals and visitors enjoy coffee and pastries in elegant coffeehouses. Sachertorte, a delicious chocolate cake, and apple strudel, a traditional apple strudel, are popular Viennese desserts. The Vienna International Airport is the largest airport in Austria and serves as a major gateway to the country. The Hundertwasser House, designed by artist Friedensreich Hundertwasser, is a unique and colorful residential building that has become an architectural landmark. Vienna's Prater Park is home to the iconic giant Ferris wheel, offering panoramic views of the city. The Spanish riding school in Vienna is renowned for its Lipizzaner horses and classical dressage performances. The Naschmarkt is a bustling market offering a wide variety of fresh produce, food stalls, and international delicacies. The Albertina Museum and Art Gallery houses an extensive collection of graphic art, including works by Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Rembrandt. Vienna's Ringstrasse, Ring Road, is a grand boulevard encircling the city center, lined with impressive buildings, parks, and monuments. The Vienna Woods Biosphere Reserve, located just outside the city, is a protected area known for its diverse ecosystems. The Wiener Schnitzel, a breaded and fried veal or pork cutlet, is a traditional Austrian dish and a staple of Viennese cuisine. The Secession Building is an iconic Art Nouveau structure designed by architect Joseph Maria Olbrecht, famous for its golden dome. Vienna hosts numerous cultural events and festivals, including the Vienna International Film Festival, Biennale, and Vienna Fashion Week. The museum's Quartier is one of the world's largest cultural complexes, housing various museums, galleries, and performance spaces. Vienna has a well-developed public transportation system, including buses, trams, and an extensive subway network. The city has a rich coffeehouse tradition, where intellectuals and artists historically gathered for discussions and creative inspiration. Vienna is known for its Christmas markets, which attract visitors with their festive atmosphere, decorations, and seasonal treats. The Leopold Museum houses a significant collection of Austrian modern art, including works by Egon Schiele and Gustav Klimt. Vienna is home to a mix of architectural styles, including Romanesque, Gothic, Baroque, and modern, creating a visually captivating urban landscape.